I'm Lucy from Lucy Beauty Hub. I deal with hair products and also advise people about products to use for hair growth. So today, so many people have asked me what I use for my hair growth. One trick I use is that I use the rice water. Rice water, it has been used for so many days and years from a community in China. I think one of the Asian countries. They are called the Yao women. You can go and search about them. They have the longest hair in the world, and their trick is the rice water. So there's a very specific way they make their rice water, and today that's what I'm going to show you. I'll make another video later, an official video. Today I'm shooting from my kitchen, so kindly subscribe for more tips. Thank you. So you will take no specified amount of water, and then you will put your rice here. We don't have a specific type of rice. You can use any type of rice. And then first you have to clean your rice so that all the dirt can come out of the rice. We don't want any impurities in the rice. So first you have to wash your rice and get rid of the impurities. Then you will drain the water, maybe in a sink or somewhere. Then you will put more water. Put more water. Now at this point, this is where we want to get all the benefits of the rice. So we rub the rice for about 3 to 5 minutes so that you can get everything, all the nutrients that are found in the rice. So it has vitamins, amino acids, inositol, so many things that help in hair growth. Then after like 5 minutes, now you are ready to take your rice water. So we'll move it in a container. You can get a container and then put your rice water there so that you can ferment it. There women say that they ferment their rice water for about 4 weeks. So you can ferment it for 1 week to 4 weeks. Now the issue is the rice water has a very bad smell after it ferments. So what you will do, you will use some peels from a citrus fruit to get rid of the smell after the fermentation. Then also you can add an essential oil, lavender, or for me I'll use the Jamaican black castor oil. It is infused with coconut oil. It has a nice smell, so that's what I use. So I'll just take a bit and add in my rice water. Now before you apply the rice water, you'll have to wash your hair. You have to clean your hair so that you can get rid of the dirt. So here you can shake it to get the nutrients from the rice, also so that the essential oil can mix with the rice water. So at that point, you just store your rice for fermentation. So you'll store it for about 4 weeks and then you'll just be using a small amount. Now for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use some rice water that I had fermented. Now it's like after 3 weeks. So let me show you how to use the rice water. So this one has fermented for about 3 weeks. So it does not have the bad smell. It does not have the bad smell because I have the essential oil and also I have the peels from the lemon or orange. So we'll transfer into a spray bottle. Okay, that's enough. Now from here I'll show you how to spray it. So you will have your hair divided into sections for easy application, and then you just spray your rice water. You spray, you get to the roots and to the shaft, and then you massage, and then you'll do that to the rest of your hair. And then you massage for about 5 minutes. So the rice water, it's a treatment for your hair, and it also helps in hair growth, to make your hair soft, silky. So then we'll go to the other section and do the same. Now you will wait for about 20 to 30 minutes so that you can wash your hair. And then from there, I would advise you not to use a very harsh shampoo. You can use a cold shampoo or a shampoo with a moisturizer, because the rice water can leave your hair so dry. But also the essential oil that you infuse helps your hair not to be so dry. So this is my hair, it is relaxed, so I cannot leave it for so long. So I'll wash my hair after about 20 minutes. That's when I'll wash my hair, and then from there I'll do my normal hair routine. I'll take my essential oils, and remember, don't use heat on your hair. So also, I have some good news. There's a company which has made rice water. It's ready-made. It is a leave-in treatment. Okay, let me just show you, because it's easy, so you don't have to go through all the process. Just wait for like 2 to 4 weeks for your rice water to ferment, the bad smell, the impurities maybe. So to me, I thought it's a very, 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 very nice idea when I saw the product in the market, and I love it because it has a nice smell. You can use it on your baby, because the rice water that we make in our homes, it's so strong, and you don't have to use daily. You can use like after every 2 weeks. There are women say that they use it after every week, so use it after every 2 weeks. Don't use it daily. So I'm so excited about the new product in the market. Let me show you. So this what I came across like some few months. It is in the market, so I loved it. So nice. And they have also infused it with so many natural oils, so that's why I love it. It has a nice smell, so that's why I love it. But okay, I make also my rice water at home, and sometimes maybe when I'm going to the salon, now I have to carry this one to the salon. Thank you guys. I'll make another video about this. For now, those who had so many questions, I think I've answered most of your questions. Kindly subscribe.